Paris, the city of light, romance, and unforgettable experiences. Imagine strolling along the Seine, enjoying a fresh croissant in a charming cafe, or admiring the breathtaking Eiffel Tower at night. If Paris is on your travel bucket list, this video is for you. In this video, you'll discover the ultimate itinerary to explore Paris, making the most of your time and ensuring an unforgettable experience. And there's more! Check out the link in the description for a detailed ebook with an extra day of itinerary and exclusive tips to have on your phone while traveling. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into this incredible journey. Now, let's begin our journey. Paris is an incredible city to visit year-round, but choosing the right season can significantly enhance your experience. Spring, from March to May, is one of the best times to visit as the city comes alive with blooming flowers, and the temperatures range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Parks like Jardin des Tuileries and Luxembourg Gardens are at their most picturesque. Summer, from June to August, brings long sunny days and a vibrant atmosphere with street performances, festivals, and extended daylight until 10 p.m. However, this is also the peak tourist season, so expect long lines and higher accommodation prices. Fall, from September to November, offers a perfect balance of mild weather and fewer tourists. The golden autumn foliage makes places like the Seine riverbanks and Montmartre even more magical. Winter, from December to February, transforms Paris into a fairy tale with Christmas markets, ice rinks, and beautiful light displays. However, temperatures can drop below freezing, and daylight hours are shorter. If you want great weather and fewer crowds, April, May, September, and October are the best months to visit. Arriving in Paris via Charles de Gaulle or Orly Airport? Let's go over the best transportation options to get to the city center efficiently and cost-effectively. If you're landing at Charles de Gaulle Airport, CDG, located about 23 kilometers, 14 miles from central Paris, you have several options. RERB train, the most economical and reliable way to reach the city. The journey takes approximately 35 to 40 minutes to central Paris, with a ticket costing €11.45, $12.50. Trains depart every 10 to 15 minutes from Terminal 2, with access from Terminal 1 via a free shuttle. This option is ideal for those traveling light and looking for an affordable transfer. Roissy Bus, a direct shuttle bus from CDG to Opéra Garnier in central Paris. The ride takes 60 to 75 minutes, depending on traffic, and costs €16.50, $18 per person. It's a comfortable choice if you're carrying luggage and prefer a direct drop-off in the city center. Taxis have a fixed rate of €62, $67 to the right bank, north of the Seine, and €55, $59 to the left bank, south of the Seine. The journey takes 45 to 60 minutes, depending on traffic. This option is best for those with heavy luggage or traveling in a group. Uber, prices range from €50 to €70, $54 to $75, depending on demand and time of day. The duration is similar to taxis, but you may need to walk to the designated pickup area. For travelers arriving at Orly Airport, ORY, which is about 13 kilometers, 8 miles from central Paris, here are the best options. Orly Bus, a shuttle bus that runs from Orly Airport to Denfert-Trochereau station in central Paris. The journey takes 30 to 40 minutes, and tickets cost €11.20, $12.50. From there, you can easily transfer to the metro to reach your final destination. RERB Plus Orly-Val, a two-step train connection. First, take the Orly-Val light train, €9.30/$10.50, to Antony Station, where you transfer to the RERB train, €2.15/$2.50, heading towards Paris. The total journey takes about 35 to 40 minutes, costing €11.45, $12.50 in total. Taxi, fixed fares apply, €41, $44 to the left bank and €35, $38 to the right bank. The trip duration is around 30 to 45 minutes, depending on traffic. Uber, similar to taxis, prices range from 35 to 50 euros, 38 to $54, with a duration of about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on traffic. Best cost-benefit option: for budget travelers, the RERB train from CDG and the Orly bus from ORY offer the best value. For those looking for more comfort and a direct route, taxis or Uber provide a hassle-free experience, though at a higher price, making it a great choice for budget-conscious travelers. Where to stay in Paris? Choosing where to stay is important. Le Marais offers history, trendy shops, and nightlife, perfect for those who love a mix of old and new. Saint-Germain-des-Prés is known for art galleries and classic cafés, making it ideal for a refined Parisian experience. The Latin Quarter is lively and budget-friendly, with plenty of bars and student life. Champs-Élysées is luxurious but more expensive, offering high-end shopping and elegant hotels. Montmartre is romantic and artsy, with great city views and a historic bohemian atmosphere. For an authentic Parisian experience, Le Marais and Saint-Germain are the best options. Getting around Paris. Getting around Paris is easy. The metro is the fastest way to travel, with single tickets at $2.80. The Navigo Pass, at $33 per week, is perfect for unlimited travel. Velib bikes cost $6 per day for exploring at your own pace, providing a fun and eco-friendly way to see the city. Uber and taxis are convenient but pricey, so they're best reserved for late-night travel. The Paris Museum Pass is great for skipping long lines at major attractions and saves money if you plan to visit multiple sites. Day-by-day itinerary. Now let's jump into our day-by-day itinerary. Day 1. Classic Paris. Your first day in Paris will be filled with iconic landmarks and unforgettable experiences. Start your morning with breakfast at Café de Flore, one of the most famous cafés in Paris. Opened in the 1880s, this café has been a gathering place for legendary writers and philosophers, including Jean-Paul Sartre and Simone de Beauvoir. Enjoy a classic French croissant and café crème while taking in the charming Parisian atmosphere. Next, head to the Eiffel Tower, the most iconic landmark in France. Built in 1889 for the World's Fair, this iron lattice structure stands 1,083 feet tall and offers breathtaking panoramic views of Paris. Insider tip: arrive early in the morning to avoid long lines or visit at night to witness the magical light show that happens every hour after sunset. Afterward, enjoy a picturesque walk along the Seine River, one of the best ways to admire the beauty of Paris. Stop at Pont Alexander III, the city's most ornate bridge, decorated with golden sculptures and vintage street lamps. This bridge offers a perfect photo opportunity with the Grand Palais and the Invalides Dome as your backdrop. For lunch, stop at Le Petit Clair, a cozy Parisian bistro known for its warm atmosphere and traditional French dishes. Try a croque-monsieur, a classic grilled ham and cheese sandwich, or a comforting French onion soup. In the afternoon, visit Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has stood since the 12th century. Although the interior is undergoing restoration, you can still admire its stunning facade, the famous gargoyles, and its intricate stained glass windows. Nearby, treat yourself to a sweet indulgence at Berthillon Ice Cream, one of Paris' most renowned ice cream shops, known for its rich and creamy flavors. For dinner, experience history at Le Procope, the oldest restaurant in Paris, established in 1686. This historic spot once hosted famous figures like Voltaire, Rousseau, and Benjamin Franklin. The menu features classic French cuisine such as coq au vin and beef bourguignon, with prices ranging from €35 to €55, $38 to $60. End your day with a magical Seine River cruise, a must-do experience that allows you to see the city's landmarks illuminated at night. The one-hour Bateau's Mouches cruise costs €15, $16.50, and offers breathtaking views of the Eiffel Tower, Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and Notre Dame from the water. Insider tip: take the cruise at sunset for the most romantic experience. Day 2, Historical Paris and Montmartre. Your second day in Paris is dedicated to exploring the city's rich history and the charming artistic district of Montmartre. Start with breakfast at Angelina, famous for its thick, rich hot chocolate and delicious pastries. Spend your morning at the Louvre Museum, home to over 35,000 artworks, including the Mona Lisa, the Venus de Milo, and the Winged Victory of Samothrace. Enjoy lunch at Le Comptoir du Relais, a bistro known for its traditional French flavors, where you can try dishes like duck confit or escargots. In the afternoon, explore Montmartre, a historic artists' district with cobblestone streets and charming cafés. Visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a white-domed church that offers one of the best panoramic views of Paris. Stop for a snack at La Maison Rose, a café known for its pastel pink exterior and its connection to famous painters like Picasso. For dinner, head to Bouillon Pigalle, an affordable but authentic Parisian brasserie with classic French comfort food like beef bourguignon and steak frites. End your day with a show at the world-famous Moulin Rouge, featuring extravagant performances, stunning costumes, and the legendary French can-can. Book your tickets in advance to secure the best seats. Day 3, Art and Culture. Your final day in Paris will immerse you in the city's vibrant art scene and cultural landmarks. Start with breakfast at Holy Belly Café, known for its fluffy pancakes, fresh juices, and specialty coffee. Explore Le Marais, a lively district with historic buildings and boutique shops, perfect for wandering through hidden alleyways. Visit the Picasso Museum, which holds over 5,000 of his works, showcasing his creative evolution. For lunch, try Bray's Café, a top spot for authentic bread and crepes, both sweet and savory, accompanied by traditional French cider. Walk down the Champs-Élysées, lined with luxury stores, cafés, and vibrant energy, leading up to one of the most famous monuments in Paris. Visit the Arc de Triomphe, an iconic structure honoring those who fought for France, and climb to the top for breathtaking city views. Finish your Paris adventure with dinner at Le Comptoir, a lively tapas-style bistro known for its small plates, delicious French wines, and a vibrant atmosphere where guests share counters and enjoy a casual but refined dining experience. And that wraps up our perfect Paris itinerary. But wait, there's more! We've created an exclusive ebook with an extra day of itinerary and special tips. Download it from the link in the description to have everything you need for your Paris trip. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment below which Paris attraction you're most excited to visit, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. See you in the next video. Bon voyage!